Hi, this is Dr. TF, and now we'll try to do some arithmetic operations in Swift. Okay, so to do this arithmetic operations, what we are trying to do is we are trying to get two variables here. You are aware of it. Using the var keyword var, you can declare and you can even assign two variables. Now I'm going to declare a variable x and initialize it to 15. Okay, so var x equal to 15, so x will be taking a value of 15 and will be in the form of integer. Okay, there is another way you can assign variables. Okay, you can use let keyword as well, let. So let let y equal to 3. Okay, so the value of y is going to be taken as 3 here. Okay, so two variables I have initialized, x to the value of 15 and y to the value of 3. Okay, now it's done. So once we have initialized these two values x and y, what we are going to do is we are going to print the output of x and y. Okay, so it's very simple as that. All that you need to do is print x plus y. Okay, let's now save it. I think you are aware of how to save a program. All that you need to do is save as and put the name of the program with .swift. Okay, I have just put variable .swift here. So let's select a file here. I think it's already selected. Anyway, I'll select it again. So once you have selected, we'll compile it. See, it's been compiling now. So once it's compiled, we have to run this program. Go to the command screen, and it is going to give a value of 15 plus 3. It's going to be 18. Okay, now it's done. So that's how you can try to run an addition program in Swift. Okay, and there is another way where you can try to add these two numbers. Okay, you can use the famous plus equal to operator that you try to use in other language as well. Okay, so this statement, that is a line number 3, it's actually x plus equals y, that is equal to, generally it's going to mean you something like x equal to x plus y, nothing more than that. Okay, so the value of x plus y is been computed and is been stored in value of x. Okay, so when you do x plus equal to y, and the value of x is going to take the sum of x and y. Okay, so let's try this one, compile and run it. Yeah, it's going to give the value of 18 again. So this is a easy way where you can try to reduce the complexity involved in it. Okay, so apart from this, when you want to negate a value of x and y, how we can do it is you can just put suppose you are wanting to print the subtraction of x and y. I didn't mean to say negate, I was actually meaning to say the subtraction of x and y. When you are trying to do that one, it's compile. Now let's run it. Yeah, it's giving 12 because 15 minus 3 is going to be 12. And in the similar wise, you can just put star when you want to multiply x and y and give the result, and the slash for division. Okay, so this will be same, and there's a modulo operator which is percentage. Okay, when you put x percentage y, it's going to give the quotient of x by y. Okay, so let's try to select this one and run it. So I'm compiling it here. So I compiled it and I'm going to run it. So 0, because it's going to be 15 by 3 is going to give you a remainder of 0. Okay, so similar wise you can try to print this one. Okay, and just want to say, like, you can even try to concatenate two string here. Okay, that is, just say for example, or let's put in this way. Let's make it very simple. Okay, we'll put it in a single statement. You want to take two strings and you want to add it. Okay, just say for example, I'm just putting I am, that is one string now. Okay, with the white blank spaces, and the second string is going to take the value of tf. Okay, so we have two strings now. I am is the first string and tf second string. So you have to add this two strings which you see on this. Okay, it's compiled. Now I want to run it. When I'm running it, yes, I'm getting it IMTF. Okay, in such way you can try to add two strings as well. So in this tutorial I've told you how you can add two variables, be it maybe a integer variable where you can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, model operation, and kind of string variables where you can try to concatenate two string using a similar arithmetic operation in Swift programming language. Okay, so keep following my videos to learn more about Swift. Tata, bye bye, see you then, bye.